After 2 days of chilling out in Malacca, I'm back on the road again. Feeling a bit soft after those 2 days, but hey, a bit of road riding will sort me out. Malacca's a beautiful city, or town, large town. Whew, big storm's coming now, so I have to try to find somewhere to camp for the night.
Nice sleep last night, so today we're going to do a little bit of hiking. Just over here, it's just a little national park, so come and check it out.
Beautiful day for a stroll, eh? Here I am in the Malaysian jungle, untouched since the start of time. What a beautiful place it is. How do Australians do their hiking, eh? Like this. Yup.
Good morning. Today I should be heading off to Kuala Lumpur. I've cycled through Bangkok, through Jakarta before, so we'll check out Kuala Lumpur, see what that's about.
I hate cycling on freeways, but sometimes you just go through. Trying to get on and off as quickly as possible. Very nice of them to put this path in next to the highway. I don't think it's been used for a while though. Body's hurting a bit today after that trek. I think I used a few muscles that I haven't used for a while. Been riding for 7 weeks now and lost 7 kilos. Using about 6,500 calories a day. So hopefully now I'm here in Malaysia I'll be able to get a bit more tucker in me. Got about 35 k's to go to Kuala Lumpur here, so keep pressing on, eh? I can't see nothing. I cannot see anything. Don't go into the light. Stay away from the light. Where the fuck am I going? Yeah. Push, push, push. Jesus. Well, welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Just booked a place to stay. Just going there now to check out what it's like for $19 Australian a night. Could be a bit dodgy, this one. Should be around here somewhere. It's called Oscars. If you see it, yell out. There we go, Oscars in. Right, let's see what $19 gets us in Kuala Lumpur. This will be a room with a view. This is a room for $19 or about 450 baht, 57 ringgit. Air conditioning, TV, queen bed, and this glorious view of the bus station or train. Well, I'm lost again, but it's not in the jungle. It's in the bloody shopping centre, eh? Well, after spending a day in Kuala Lumpur, it's time to get back to nature, I think. Just trying to figure out whether to go north through the mountains or head west back to the coast. Well, I can't decide, so we'll leave it to flip a coin, eh? Heads will go to the mountains, tails will go to the coast. Looks like we're going to the mountains. Sorry, legs. Oh well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next installment of